Hello, my name is Pranshul Gupta and my roll number is 20MA20044. My first design in FreeCAD is this star-shaped vase, for which I made these star-shaped sketches and uses the additive loft feature to make a 3D shape out of it, in which I added the thickness and fillet features to make my final model. Here you can see it. Then my next model is this hexagonal shaped pen stand. This is the base, and here you can keep the pen and all these things. I first made this hexagonal solid, and then using a pocket feature I made this hole in this, and then added some chamfer using the chamfer tool, and then I made this base for this pen string, and finally I made some spheres, and using the boolean operation of cut I made these holes from where we can keep our pens and other items. My next model is this vase, which I made using the revolve feature. I first made a 2D sketch, and using the revolve feature I made this shape and added thickness and this particular part over here using loft feature on some circular sketches. My fourth design is this pen string. Here I first made this base using the pad feature on a circular sketch. Then I made this top part again using the pad feature. Then I made this array of these square shaped pieces, and then using the boolean operation of cut I made this final pen string, which we see. And my final design is this triangular vase, for which I made these triangular sketches and uses the additive loft feature to make this 3D structure, and then added thickness. So these are all my models. Thank you.